What did you say? Huh? What were you saying, buddy? What were you just saying? You were just talking, I heard you.
Hey guys, it's Really Raelle here today. So today we are going to be grooming Raven and her sister. And if you guys have not seen part 1 of this series, go check it out. It's going to be in the description down below. And so I'm a little nervous to groom them both because I mean they're horses and I've never groomed a horse before and they're like so big and like it's like how do I do this? And so yeah, let's get on with this video.
Yeah, well the purpose is you're gonna learn.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the whole idea of this.
Alright, let's go on with the video, guys.
Woohoo! Woo! I heard you. Oh, look at this one. Hi. Yeah, you're up here making noise too. I see you making noise. Yeah. So many. And I heard you. We heard you. You were talking too. You're gonna talk now. You're gonna talk now. Oh, your poor hair. I know. It's in your eyes. I get it out of your eyes. There, I get it out. Oh, love bug. Yeah, you're a love bug. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I don't know which way to go with it. There's so much hair there, girl. Yeah, I try to get it out. Yeah. I try. I try. Yeah. 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 Itchy. Are you itchy now? Are you itchy? Yeah, you're rubbing up against that. Are you itchy now? Yeah. Oh, you're still eating. Look at that messy face. Look at that dirty face. Look at that dirty face. Yeah. Yeah, you have a dirty face. Oh, now I get it out of your hair. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Oh. Thank you for the laughs. Thank you for the laughs. Yeah. Good. Yes, Casey, you're so good. Yes, you are. Oh, there's a kitty. Hi, kitty. How are you? Hi. Are you getting loved on? Yes, are you getting loved on? Yeah.
Start at the bottom. Mommy stopped it.
Remember, yeah, mommy said start at the bottom?
Yeah.
And sometimes I'll hold it and then tease out the bottom. If it's, yeah, brush how you brush your mouth. Yeah, it feels good. See, it feels good. Yes, it does. Yeah. You gonna brush? Go brush.
Long neck.
How about some 3 hands on you? Do you want 3 hands on you? Does that feel okay? never know if you get a knot or something. What do you think about all this? What do you think about all this? Yeah. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Oh, it does almost touch the ground. You're right. Wow, you're right, Raelle. Beautiful. Yeah. What if you had a tail like that to fling around?
That would be hard.
That's funny. Can I try?
Yeah. Well, that's small hair.
You go this way
Yeah.
with the hair. See how her hair goes like that?
Yeah.
You are good, huh? See the dirt down there?
Yeah.
See it all? The hay. Yeah. And running around. We all need, we all need to get groomed, don't we? That feels good. Just like Coke, you know, the legs.
Yeah.
Want to do some?
Yeah.
Your butt? You do her leg. Stop. I would stop there because you're not an expert yet. Be careful with her boobs. Don't go too far down. Oh!
How do you push like the
Wow, look at the hoops, guys.
like the metal shoes? Yeah, we don't know.
That's the real key.
After we do my horse riding lessons, we're gonna get a house and get a horse.
Mommy's gonna look into horse riding lessons for you. Because the last time it might have looked like I was ignoring her, and I was when she kept saying she wanted a horse in the house. I was trying to buy my time and think, and then, woo! Oh yeah. She wanted her butt in that video. Yep, she wanted her butt in that video. Anyway, so then last time, maybe she doesn't like the light. So anyway, so last time I was ignoring her on purpose, biding my time. So by the end, I decided, okay, I'll get you riding lessons for your birthday. So I'm looking into that around our house for her, and she keeps talking about it.
I want it.
So it's very nice of Sally to let us come and play with the horses and connect with them. It's awesome, awesome, awesome experience. And it's helping Raelle to build her dream. Let her actually feel them and play with them and see, make sure she definitely wants all of the work involved, because you have to love them and take care of them and feed them every day, yes, and groom them. How's Raelle doing over here? I see her. I see her. There's Raelle. There's Raelle. I know. Oh, babies are both coming at her. It's okay. What? Are you mad? Are you done? What does that mean? I think she's trying to tell us something, but I don't know what. What? What's wrong? Look at that. Oh, just like a puppy dog. That's amazing. Look, my dog does that when she thinks she's bad or something, or she's like,
It's just been a week today since we moved these 2 bears here.
oh, so they're new.
From a friend.
Yeah. So they're getting used to it. Oh.
This is the first they've been moved in 10 years.
Oh, so they're going through loss. That's a shame.
She's not quite adapted as well as like.
Oh. Poor baby. She said she's a new horse here. You're a new horse. You lost your mommy, so you're sad. She just moved here a week ago because she lost her mama. Oh. Her and Raven are new. Yeah. So you're getting used to it. I'm sorry, sweetheart. You're sad. Yeah. Aww.
Usually we let these 2 out in the morning when it's cooler.
Yeah.
Until noon, it's been so hot.
It has been way too hot.
And they sweat. And
Oh, yeah.
They lay down there. And
Oh gosh, yeah, of course.
So
That always happens. They sleep in hay. You clean them, and then 10 minutes later they're dirty. Like our dogs run out. We wash them. They run out and roll in the yard.
Yeah.
They probably, some of them might roll out in the yard or out in the field.
Yeah, they do.
It's so funny. They're similar to dogs in a way.
It's amazing, and every time you brush them, there's some loose hair that comes off.
Oh, it's just like our dogs.
Yeah.
Constantly shedding. Constantly, yeah. Look at all that. That feels good. Here's Raven. Hi, Raven. How are you, baby? Oh, what do you think about her hair?
It's really nice.
You like her hair?
I like Raven.
Yeah. Raven, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty.
Go ahead, no. Yes, I am.
Look at all the colors. loving each other? Yeah. Are you guys loving each other? Ears itchy? Oh, that's Itcha's ears. Itcha ears like a puppy dog. Puppy dogs like their ears itches. Did a kitty. Did a kitty again. Yeah. Is there a difference in the hair?
Yeah, this one's thicker.
This one's thicker?
Yeah, she said it's thicker. It feels a lot thicker.
Yeah.
Got long hair, Raven. One thing that I like to do is here, can you hold this thumb? I like to like pet her like this.
Aww.
She's taller than me, guys. She's like, I'm like,
Yeah. Look at these two horses. Those two horses have been together for 10 years. They keep loving each other. You see it? Yeah.
so gorgeous.
It is. She is. Raven, you are gorgeous, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're a gorgeous
You are a
girl.
very pretty horse. Are horses ticklish?
Probably. I would assume. Did you guys hear Raelle? She asked if horses are ticklish.
Comment below if horses are ticklish, if you guys know that. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And always remember to create your dreams into reality.
And keep it real for real. Bye.
Bye.
Are you talking to us? Are you saying bye? Are ya? Whoa! You don't say. You don't say. Huh? Wow. Bye-bye, baby. Oh, she is pretty. All right, bye-bye. Bye, Monty. Bye-bye. You were making noise. Here I am. You give me your backside. Bye. Really? Really? They're all talking. Yeah.